What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna be working on my S14 Kuki. And what I got is and chilling here with Alex and Blown. We fat, we just ate burritos. But he ate 12 tacos. But we just got this, I just got this in today. And it's a shift boot because mine is right here. My OEM shift boot is right here, and it's all, you can see it's all tore up.
Did you drag it across the ground, dude?
Yeah. Just old.
Damn, dude.
It's just old. I'll show you. So this one's super beat up. Here's the new one. This one's crap though. It's just some eBay one that I bought, and we're gonna try to make it work. I've been trying to mock it up a little bit already. And then I also got this, just like the Celica. I got a Tomei shift knob. So let's go open this up and I'll show you guys what it comes with. So here's the Tomei shift knob, and let's go and open it up and see what's inside. That's kind of hard. Here it is. Let's see what else is in here. Bunch of stuff. So you get the Tomei logo cap. Set that aside. And you get 3 stickers for different types of transmissions. And here's like this part, like a STI one, 6-speed and a 5-speed. So I might not even put these in my car. Not really too big on stickers. But let's go open this up and see what's inside. Like that. And there you have it. Nice Durlin Tomei shift knob. And it's cool that they do this because once you screw it in, then you can put the cap on so that it's perfectly aligned and straight instead of like maybe upside down or crooked. So let's go ahead and try to fix the shift boot first, and then we'll go ahead and put this into the S14. Okay, so I got the shift boot in, and it doesn't look that great, but it's eBay and it was cheap. I'll probably get a Nissan one later. And this is how it's mounted. Man, looks like shit. Alex is laughing because it looks like shit.
Where you think you're gonna get one later? Well, that's hot glued on.
No, it should come off.
Okay, you good.
Yeah. But it looks like crap because all the clips broke, and they're hard to take off without actually breaking it. So, but we'll see how it works. Man, it looks horrible on the bottom.
Yeah, but it looks good right here.
Yeah, so we'll see how it looks. Let's go put this in. Okay, so just gotta take out the old shifter. And let's see how this looks like. Hopefully it looks good. Oh yeah, see it. There we go. There it is. Yeah, looks alright, huh? How's that look?
Looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good, huh? Put it neutral.
And you just gotta break it in.
Yeah.
And then this will become a little more softer, so it should be good. Yeah, see, it looks good, dude.
Not bad, right? Okay. Looks a little better once it's actually pushed down.
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
I think it looks good.
Yeah.
You have to figure about the Tomei.
Let's go ahead and put the Tomei shifter in now. There it is right there. Damn, it does look a lot better than before though.
Yeah.
Yeah, better than any crappy, I guess. Alright, looks good. Let me go ahead and put the cap on, and then we'll go see how it looks like. So the Tomei front part actually has a little seal, so you actually want to peel that off, or else it's gonna look like it's hazy. Now you can see the logo, and then you just get the sticker part, just pull it out. Okay, whew, that was kind of annoying. Watch out for this part. There's like a little piece there that's kind of hard to get to, but then make sure the surface is clean. And then you stick it on. That's right. Oh, shit. That's right.
The straight is blown.
Oh shit. Oh, it's on.
Just
Regardless.
twist it. Just twist it a little bit more. The whole knob. Yeah. See there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good.
Yeah. Tomei.
Sick. Damn, sick. It looks good. There you guys have it. There's the Tomei shift knob compared to the stock OEM one. Man, this one looks hideous. But these are weighted, so they actually feel really great. And then this one feels pretty good, but I just wish it was a little weighted, a little more weighted. But there you go. That's the eBay shift knob boot in a 240. So if you can't afford the $100 Nissan one, this, yeah, it's $100. This one only costs about 15 bucks on eBay. So yeah, so it's not too bad. You do have to kind of work with it to make it work, but once it's in, it looks pretty good. So the homie Alex just took off, and I'll probably end the night here. And hope you guys like what I did with the eBay shift boot. And I'm gonna keep this one to maybe make a better template, to make a better shift boot, but might just stick with the eBay one because it looks alright. And I hope you guys like the Tomei shift knob. I really like that one. And if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later guys, peace.